My bathroom is always clean and without bad smells since I discovered this trick. Look, for this quick preparation you will need 2 lemons and 2 tablespoons of soap powder. You can use any soap to wash clothes. It is not necessary to be expensive. The first step is to squeeze the lemons. Notice that the lemons I am using are small, but if you have large lemons you can use even 1. Once we have squeezed the lemons, we will add the 2 tablespoons of soap powder. After the foam has gone down, we will add 200 milliliters of water. Let me know below what country you are from to send you a greeting and a hug in the next video. I want to highlight and especially greet Samuel from Puerto Rico. I would also like to know if you have ever used or are used to doing any other homemade preparation to clean the bathrooms in your home. Once the water is added, remember that it is 200 milliliters. We will continue adding 3 tablespoons of alcohol. The alcohol I am using is not pure. It has 80 concentration, but it will work perfectly for our purpose. After this, we will transfer the mixture to a container, preferably one with a spray that you can have at home. Once ready, we can use this concentrate in the hand wash. This preparation will provide a pleasant aroma to our bathrooms, and thanks to this formula, you can eliminate germs without the need to buy expensive products. Just applying a few drips will be more than enough to whiten it quickly. The best thing about this mixture is that it is so versatile that you can use it in other parts of the bathroom, such as the toilet, since many times they get yellow spots that are very difficult to remove, and we do not know what to do with them. You can apply this mixture to those spots in the toilet, and they will disappear thanks to the power generated by combining soap with lemon. If you made it this far, leave emojis of toilets, so I will know that you saw the full video. And if it's the first time you see one of my videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can be the first to receive our advice.
Close.